Sika beto podos for Kumasi Asante Kotoko 7.8 billion Ghana Cedis. Kane titiska no o convert by nesika no 783,000 Ghana Cedis. And only ska mpanyifo de abase Kotoko ejitum se tournament e deni penim which is between 1st August to 11 August. No jitum so obekwa akoba mpanyifo e de be mo as appearance fee concerning tournament Kotoko any some 7 other teams making Kotoko 8th team ebeka ho tournament na successful in Nigeria the Coast City Cup. Now Coast City Cup no eba so between 1st to 11th of August and a tournament na eba so Kumasi Asante Kotoko is yet to confirm say obebo anase ombo, basically because of, according to information I'm in Saka unim say report we yeshase here in the last week say Kotoko enya invitation say ombebo tournament, but Kotoko entimi mabonte me confirm say obebo anase ombo. Na the reason is say once Kotoko since last year and oko agree say after the end of this season obeko pre-season tour. Inti pre-season tour no date no any tournament we air clash inti mpanyifo person mo dwen ho na ida say ombe twiki date no na a favor mo no metima kobo tournament we just after so me free pre-season tour na ba na say omeko kobo we ansa na omakoto na eno ho na omo dwen ti a response nyamba, but for now tournament no e baso between 1st to 11th August 2024. Appearance fee for each clubs no $50 million, 783,000 Ghana Cedis, and only appearance fee. And the winner, ebenya 50 million naira, which is $191,000. What the back Ghana Sikanuma, 2.6 million Ghana Cedis. 2.6 million Ghana Cedis, you know. O convert here, kobe 26 billion old Ghana Cedis. Yes, that's according to my mathematics. Sana Kotoko ebenya from winning the tournament. Inti what the 7.8 you know ekoka 26 what the koka 26 billion old Ghana Cedis, which is 2,617,000 no ho. Let's say Kotoko ekeka kona nimpa okobe 30 billion old Ghana Cedis and a Kotoko binya. But the information I'm picking is that because of European tour pre-season tour into Kotoko into me still now I'm far response on course or bebo anasa ombo, and I understand the more deliberations either saying European tour no ombe kone enimenimu ya no mabante mabebo tournament we and I say omekwa akobo awie na omakonso a eno nso de ekoba sa time ni beso I don't think a response in yamba say Kotoko bebo anase ombo, but ye de ye wa ha de besi bia no ye be report amamo e wo super 24 TV. So the blog man ni ba wie madwuma be do sia e chia bebre me call